tiny and small. B is for bear, the biggest of all. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, who swims away. G is for goat, who climbs so high. H is for horse, who gallops by. I is for insect, buzzing around. J is for jellyfish, floating down. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. L is for lion with a mighty thump. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for newt, as quick as can be. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for pig, what a muddy delight. Q is for quail, quiet and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake, who slithers and slides. T is for tiger with big bold strides. U is for urchin, prickly and round. V is for vulture, flying around. W is for whale, so big and blue. X is for x-ray, fish, see right through. Y is for yak with a fuzzy coat. Z is for zebra, stripy and bold. Now we sang from A to Z, animal friends for you and me.